And even with the new cases recently released, since last November, COVID hospitalizations statewide have dropped nearly 90%. In fact, the state is at its lowest COVID hospitalization numbers since last July. And while hospital systems are finally letting out a sigh of relief, they're not relaxing just yet. 3 News Now reporter Rudel Alcenaida has more.
As an ICU nurse at CHI Bergen Mercy, Alicia Fetchner remembers it like it was yesterday.
It was just kind of a constant influx of patients being diagnosed and patients, working really hard to breathe and it was just constant, new admission, new admission, new admission.
Yep, sounds good.
The COVID-19 hospitalization peak in November left hospital workers like Alicia exhausted. Statewide hospitalizations were reaching 1,000. Alicia somehow managed to care for patients, be on the front lines, while also planning a wedding.
Was it the wedding that I thought I may have pictured when I was growing up as a young little girl? Maybe not, but honestly, it was the perfect day.
Alicia got married on December 19th, in between those long shifts. After the wedding, Alicia got back to work, where things slowly started getting better. Now, at the end of March, the state is at its lowest COVID hospitalization rate since last July, and that makes a big difference to these healthcare workers.
It's just different when you're here. You really get that time to be able to call family members or to be able to spend time, those extra things, spending extra time in the room, holding that patient's hand and do all those things that we love to do as nurses.
Nebraska Medicine ICU nurse Haley Sizes says she feels the same way and cannot believe they got out of that November peak mostly unscathed.
4 months ago, there was no way that any of us thought we would be where we are right now, definitely.
But even though hospitalizations are down, they're not gone. As of Friday, a little over 100 people remain hospitalized with COVID-19 across the state.
There's still a lot of very sick people and it's still horrible, just as far as the disease process is, and that's so hard.
But the community continuing to take precautions and now getting vaccinated has made things better. Both ICU nurses say they hope it only continues going up from here. And maybe the 1-year wedding anniversary will be just that much better. Reporting in Omaha, Rudel Alcenaida, 3 News Now.